Hello, weekend crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your weekend crafter, and I've officially moved on from reds and pinks to the greens. I'm making St. Patrick's Day inspired earrings. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. First off, we're going to make rainbow earrings. I'll be mixing some hues of greens and combining them with touches of gold. I have a rainbow-shaped cutter that I use to cut my rainbow. Then I made very thin snakes in different colors that go along the rainbow shape. Finally, I cut away the excess. A very simple starter earring idea. Next, we're going to make a shamrock. A shamrock is a three-leaved clover. First, we go in and use a shamrock cutter. I shorten the stem by cutting away most of it and just leaving a bit of the tip. Next, I get small flower cutter and cut away some of the petals to make hearts. I place these around the shamrock. Finally, I got a microcircular cutter and punched a small hole on top. For the final pair, you will need a heart-shaped cutter. I also punched a 4-leaf clover. Using a small heart cutter, I punched through all the leaves. I then fished out the heart. I placed a hole on the bottom part of the heart and the top part of the clover. For the final touch, I placed a small gold flower at the upper corner of the heart. And that is it for today's tutorial. Simple and fun eerie ideas for St. Patrick's Day. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!